if you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enable it effectively. This guide will help you resolve common voice chat problems. Step 1. Check voice chat settings. Go to the game settings menu and navigate to the audio options. Ensure that the voice chat feature is enabled and that the correct input and output devices are selected. Step 2. Verify audio devices. Make sure your microphone and speakers or headset are properly connected to your computer. Check that they are recognized by your operating system and set as the default devices. Step 3. Adjust Windows privacy settings. Open your Windows settings and go to Privacy. Under the microphone section, ensure that access to the microphone is enabled for the game. This allows Cyberpunk 2077 to use your microphone for voice chat. Step 4. Update audio drivers. Check for updates for your audio drivers. Outdated drivers can cause issues with voice chat functionality. Visit your device manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers. Step 5. Restart the game and system. After making the necessary adjustments, restart Cyberpunk 2077 to apply the changes. If the issue persists, consider restarting your computer to ensure all settings are refreshed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve voice chat issues in Cyberpunk 2077. If problems continue, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.